Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You've completed payment, now start changing the photo. First, open the LL app and confirm you're logged into the account that made the purchase. Once logged in, locate orders or history to verify the payment record. This unlocks premium profile edits. Then go directly to Settings, tap Profile, and choose Edit Photo. Don't navigate elsewhere. Make sure your network is stable while the app validates purchase status, so permissions update immediately, and you can proceed without delays. Now upload the new image. Tap Edit Photo and pick Camera or Gallery. Choose an image that meets the app's size and aspect ratio rules, crop to 1:1 or 16:9 as required. Once selected, use the built-in Rotate and Crop tools to center your face or subject. This improves automatic scaling. Preview the result, because the app may compress images differently after saving. When it looks right, tap Save or Apply so the change commits to your profile. Finish by tapping Save and watch for the confirmation banner or a refreshed profile image. If the new photo doesn't appear, force a profile refresh. Sign out and sign back in, or clear the app cache in Settings and Rootload. Make sure you're on a reliable network. Stalled uploads often look like failures. If it still fails, contact LL support with your payment ID and a screenshot of the issue so they can verify purchase-linked permissions and apply the photo change manually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.